So this is my research paper introduction, and it's all in the MLA format. I know you wanted us to start with, or you normally want us to start with body paragraphs, but I have a lot of trouble trying to do that. I feel like I need to have like an order to go in, so I started with my introduction. I don't know how you feel about that, but I don't know. I just started the paper, didn't even think about it, and it's just easier for me. But this is what I have. I spent a lot of time perfecting it, making sure that it was the best possible work that I could have for an introduction. I purposely didn't go into too much detail about topics, but I brought up topics that I'm going to later explain more in body paragraphs. Also, I actually had a lot of trouble actually finding stuff to say and finding topics to bring up, because in my annotated bibliography, you had told us not to make, so obviously we had different sides that we're on for this whole project, and you had told us not to make our research for the annotated bibliography like one-sided. So for all of my research on the annotated bibliography, it's all just like neutral facts and things I found on the Electoral College. So I really had to do more research and find all those reputable sites again. I'm going to have to use a whole different set of citations than I did for my annotated bib. So I had to look through all that. And yeah, that's really it. So for the future, like I said before, I need to kind of explain more of what I explained, or more of what I introduced in this introduction, and then finish it off with a strong conclusion. But I feel like I'm on the right track for it to be due on the 10th, and yeah, that's it.